Hey, this is AC Locke here with SoftWash Systems. I got Chris Sharpe here from Sharpe Outdoor Services.
Yes, sir.
Cool, and Chris is in Lake City, Florida, where our Florida population is really growing. Lake City was an area that we really didn't have anybody up there north of Gainesville. Right there at the I-10, I-75 intersection.
Yes, sir.
Lots of good business up there. And Chris already has a landscaping company. Now he's in soft washing. He can go ahead and take care of your properties up there. You've put together a beautiful truck wrap here with our creative services department, and beautiful system here. Just, it's so exciting every time we put together one of these trucks to see another person going into the business, into the soft washing business, and it's just the birth of another business. It's just sweet. It's sweet. But man, thank you so much for trusting us with this and letting us put together this truck for you. It's awesome. I'm going to do a quick walk around and tell everybody what we did for Chris here at Sharpe Outdoor Services. Thanks a bunch.
All right.
Cool. So what we've got here again is another beautiful truck wrap. It's awesome. What year is this truck?
99.
This is a 1999, guys. A 1999 F-250 heavy duty truck. It's a great truck. You put a wrap on a 99 truck and all of a sudden it looks like brand new. Okay? So this is a great truck. Lots of years of service left in it. The design team at SoftWash Systems put together a beautiful truck wrap. It's got Chris's Sharpe Outdoor Services logo in it. Nice coloring here. This is like my favorite color in the whole world there. We call it AC green. Yeah, absolutely. Love that color. And then Chris went ahead and had us put a 72-inch or our extra large skid in here. The full cradle arms, full aluminum package. We went ahead and again here we've started putting in, when we do the mounts here on the sides of the truck, we do the full frame hose reels, so it really adds a lot of stability. I could move this whole truck right now. We've got no flex here on the actual cradle rail here on the side or on the hose reels, but these are the full frame hose reels, but they're manual hose reels. Just extra stability we have here on the truck, okay? Right here we have our application. Oh, no, this is the wrench reel here. This is 5/8 hose on a Titan stainless steel and aluminum hose reel. Then we have the application hose here, which is our 1/2-inch clear braid hose, 18-inch hose reel, stainless steel with aluminum, Titan, full frame, manual hose reel. You'll see here that on our Blend 100 and our Rinse 100, we put the control panels side by side in the center, so it's real easy to come in here and get to all the controls on this truck. It's in between the hose reels, so that makes that fit. If the Blend was in the A position, we'd have to go over the hose reel or this way to get to it, but because we have the Blend head in the B position and the Rinse module in the C position, it's real easy in this space we create here to get to those modules. So when you're planning your system and you're looking at ease of getting to your equipment, right in between the hose reels, that's a great fit right there. Okay? If we come around the back of the truck, Chris went ahead and did what a lot of people are doing now, is we got on here a Honda GX390 pressure washer, Honda electric start, and then he's got the 5 gallon a minute belt drive pressure washer on here. So this is the high flow. It's great for running these flat surface cleaners here, okay? High flow. We can run it either off of a garden hose or by switching this valve right here from garden hose. We can switch it over here and it will draw off of the 100 gallon buffer tank that we have on here, raw water buffer tank. And then right next to it, we have a 12-inch aluminum and stainless steel electric hose reel with his non-marking power washing hose on here. Great setup. Underneath this, like we do on a lot of our systems, we have these beautiful AC green interstate batteries here. Love that green color. As well as we have our Stealth, both our AC charging system and our DC charging system, both AC charging and DC. This whole bank of batteries here charges as Chris drives this truck down the road. So when he pulls a trigger or opens up a valve, any cleaning he does, he has enough battery power here to run the pressure washer, run the soft wash machine, anything that he needs to run, he's got the power to do it, okay? As we come around to this side of the truck here, It's rained here recently here in beautiful, sunny, humid Florida. Okay, we've put in 4 saddle tanks for Chris. Okay, and in the A position here, we have our green wash tank. In the B position here, we have another chemical storage tank. Okay, this is probably where he's going to put his Trinity cocktail, his green wash, his Rain Fresh, and his Terra wash. On here, we have the little individual ball valves for turning on or off those different saddle tanks. Here's a 3rd chemical storage tank right here that he'll likely put his final wash in. And then here is another saddle tank, but it has a Gordon Fisher metering ball valve on it here. And this is where we put our plant wash. Our plant wash, it's actually a granular plant wash. We put water in there, we put 6 ounces per gallon in there and make a plant wash concentrate. And then we control how much our bulk rinse pump pulls up out of this tank so that you can actually neutralize the plants with the bulk rinse pump. These saddle tanks are really, really awesome because when you're going over to an employee model, you want to really be able to monitor their soap and chemical use so that they're not running up the costs on your jobs. And watching every penny is very important. So with these tanks, you can fill this truck up for the week. A manager can fill it up. And then you can monitor that chemical output to make sure your guys aren't wasting it and keep those chemical costs down. And it makes deploying of our 6X, our concentrate 6X chemicals, real easy because you can go ahead and put 5 gallons of water in this tank, and then your 6th gallon being our 6X concentrate, and you can make 6 gallons of regular ready to use. So it makes it real easy to deploy our concentrates. These saddle tanks really help you keep control of your chemical costs, and they're great for an employee model. Up top here, we have our beautiful, I love these, your flat surface cleaner rack. They're great because they also have the holes in them up here for adding additional hose reels to our systems. So you can actually mount 4 hose reels up on the flat surface cleaner rack, as well as store your flat surface cleaner. And we sell this completely stainless steel, really nice, high quality flat surface cleaner here that we get from PSI, who builds all of our pressure washers and all of our flat surface cleaners. That's a great 100% stainless steel flat surface cleaner. That is a lifetime product there. The only thing you'll have to replace is the swivel on it if it ever goes bad, or the tips. But the basic flat surface cleaner is a lifetime product. All the way around the truck, you'll notice things like we have additional holes here for mounting hose reels, either on the port or starboard side of the truck, the driver's side or the passenger side. You've got 2 reel mounting positions here, 2 in the back, 2 on the other side, 2 up top. You can actually put up to 10 hose reels on this system. Very, very cool. But it's all 6061 and 5051 aircraft grade, chemical resist aluminum. Everything on here super high quality. All the stainless steel is AA rated, super high quality stainless steel. Every hose on here is Continental hose, the best you can get. We don't skimp at all on a system like that because we want to make sure that Chris stays up and running, completing good, clean production every day with this in-field serviceable piece of equipment. What does in-field serviceable mean? Means that if something breaks on this system, you can fix it out in the field with either a crescent wrench or a Phillips screwdriver. And that's what keeps you up and running. Hey, if you want us at SoftWash Systems to design a beautiful truck like this one for you, you can give us a call right here at the information on the bottom of the video. Give us a buzz. We'll put together a proposal for you. We'll help you with your dream truck and your dream package so that you can start your business creating faith, family, hope, and community, and a legacy in business for your family. Hey, I'm AC Lock here with SoftWash Systems. Go forth and prosper.